Hi guys, I'm Geetanjali. Welcome to my channel.
Be strong.
Wait, do you want to watch this video in Tamil? Click here. I've been focusing on the recipe part in my cooking videos and I thought maybe I should do something interesting and also entertaining for you all. So we tried this new concept. Hope you will like it. And also this is an attempt to make you subscribe to my channel. You know what is our concept? Cook with robot. Today my robot is going to cook with me. I'm going to call my robot now. Kuti, come here. Kuti, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Kuti. Cooking, cleaning dishes, doing laundry, and cleaning the house are my duties.
What? Oh my gosh. They would have thought that you're a smart robot, but you're just embarrassing me in front of my viewers. Can you tell everyone what all you can cook?
Chicken biryani, mutton biryani, chicken 65, chicken tandoori, butter chicken, idli, vada, dosa, pongal, puri, chapati, naan, parota, pizza, burger.
Wait. I asked you what you can cook, not what you like to eat. Were you working in a restaurant before? Or maybe you just scanned a cookbook before coming to the show?
What are we going to cook today?
I'm planning for breakfast or lunchbox recipes. Do you have any ideas?
Microchip, Duracell battery, memory card.
Kuti, I did not ask what you like for breakfast or lunch. Can you suggest something for viewers, especially for kids?
Okay, then can we make different types of sandwiches?
Wow, this is an excellent idea. We have ground chicken, eggs, potato, and Maggi noodles. So let's make 2 vegetarian sandwiches and 2 non-vegetarian sandwiches.
What should I make? Veg or non-veg?
Kuti, your choice.
Okay, non-veg. Dot. Okay, shall we start?
Hey, wait. If we both do it at the same time, how will the viewers follow the recipe? So let me first do my vegetarian sandwiches, then you can make yours.
Kuti, here are your non-veg items for sandwiches. Okay.
Let's just prepare the fillings first.
Please let me know if you need any help. Let me recharge until then.
Okay. Can you cut the onions for me?
First, I'm taking water in a bowl to cook the potatoes in the microwave oven. I've taken a large potato. I'm going to prick like this for faster cooking. Let's cut this into 2 pieces. Place it in the bowl and let's cook this in the microwave oven for about 10 minutes. I just turned it over halfway through. Now our potato is ready.
Onion ready.
Thank you, Kuti.
First, I'm preparing the Maggi noodles filling. For that, I've taken 1 packet of masala Maggi noodles. Break the noodles like this. Now let's add the seasoning. You can use any type of noodles. To this, add half onion, finely chopped. Now let's add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Don't add too much. Along with that, I'm also adding 2 teaspoons of oil and 3/4 cup of water. It's about 200 ml. Let's give it a mix and microwave for 3 minutes. Now it's 3 minutes. Let's take the noodles out. Let's give it a mix. Let's microwave for 3 more minutes. It's 6 minutes now and our noodles is ready. See how yummy it looks? I just want to eat it like that. Now let's prepare the potato filling. For that, let's peel the skin and mash the potato.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified on my new videos.
Let's add 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding half onion finely chopped by Kutti. Now the onion is cooked. I'm adding 1 medium-sized tomato finely chopped. I'm adding half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Let's mix well. The tomato is cooked. I'm adding the smashed potato to this. Let's mix the mashed potatoes well with the onion and tomato like this. Our potato filling is ready. Now let's transfer this to a bowl. Doesn't it look so yummy? I can just eat the potatoes like that. Now our sandwich maker is heated up. Let's start preparing the sandwiches. Let's place the bread like this. I'm using olive oil cooking spray. You can use regular oil or butter also if you like. Flip it over. Let's add the potato filling and start spreading evenly on the bread. For the Maggi noodles filling, I'm adding a little bit of cheddar cheese first. You can use any cheese of your choice. Now let's add the cooked Maggi noodles on top of the cheese and spread it evenly. Now let's add more cheese on the top as well. Now let's add another slice of bread on top. Let's spray some more oil on the top. and close it. Our sandwiches are ready. Let's open it. Ta-da! If you want your sandwiches to be crispy, it should be golden brown like this. Let's cut this into 2 pieces like this. You can also use a pan to make these sandwiches, but usually if you make it using the sandwich maker, the fillings will be intact since the sides are sealed. Kuti, my sandwiches are ready. You can start yours.
Okay.
2 teaspoon oil. Half onion, finely chopped. 2 eggs. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. Quarter teaspoon salt. Mix well. Egg filling is ready. Three teaspoon oil. Half onion, finely chopped. Quarter teaspoon fennel powder. One pinch turmeric powder. Quarter teaspoon black pepper powder. Quarter teaspoon garam masala powder. Quarter teaspoon chilli powder. Half cup ground chicken. Quarter teaspoon salt. Kuti, if you add tomatoes, will it be good? Yes, it will be good. If you want, you can add half tomato to this. Hey Kuti, what are you doing? Checking if the chicken is cooked. Chicken filling is ready. Let's place the bread. Let's spray oil. Flip the bread. Spread the egg filling. Spread the chicken filling. Let's place another bread. Let's spray oil. Sandwiches are ready. Let's remove it. Let's cut this into 2 pieces.
My non-vegetarian sandwiches are ready. Can you please taste it? Thanks, Kuti. We have all our sandwiches ready now, all 4 different ones. Let's taste it now.
Maggi Noodles sandwich. Good. Next, potato sandwich. Yummy. Now, Kutti's non-veg sandwiches. Egg sandwich. Super yummy. Good. Last but not the least, chicken sandwich. Very nice.
Kuti, the non-veg sandwiches which you made were so delicious. I didn't know that you can cook so well until today. Thanks, Kuti. The vegetarian sandwiches which I made were also so nice. All these 4 types of sandwiches, kids will love it. The only thing is you should use the sandwich maker so that the sides will stick together and the fillings won't fall apart. I'm not promoting anything here, but I'm just letting you know what sandwich maker I used. I've given a link in the description and you can check it out. Hope you will try this recipe. Do try and leave your comments below. If you like this video, like, share with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.